yours, Brendan.
Actually, when you are ready.
Can I go for it?
Yes, please.
All right, friends. All right, you guys, tomorrow on Tuesday, we are going to do a science experiment.
Yes.
Not today, but tomorrow on Tuesday.
Tomorrow, yeah.
So make sure that tomorrow.
Oh, 15.
Yeah.
So,
Make sure tomorrow you have your science experiment bag with you, okay? Tomorrow. But today we are going to start talking about science and start talking about the experiment too, okay? So I want to ask you a question. What is science?
Science is when you learn.
It's when you what?
It's when you learn around.
What? Yes, you learn.
Does an engineer is a scientist?
yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah.
Or even an adventure?
An adventure? Yes, it can be adventure.
And
What?
an astronaut?
Genesis. What is science? What is it? Do you know?
I don't science. Science like experiment.
It's experiment. That's part of science. Yes. All right. You guys have some good answers. I want to present a book to you, and it's called What is Science? So hold on. Let me share my screen.
Look what it is over here.
All right. So
Look what it says. Science.
it says science. All right. So here we go. We're going to read a book or do a book read. It's called What is Science?
Science. I know all about science.
Is science. I know what science is. Science like the science fair had to.
Voices should be off. You should be listening.
What is science? So many things. The study of stars and Saturn's rings. The study of rocks, geoids and stones, dinosaur fossils, and old chip bones. The study of soil, of oil and gas, of sea and sky, of seed and grass, of wind and hurricanes that blow, volcanoes, tornadoes, quakes, and snow. What is science? The study of trees, of butterflies and honeybees, glaciers, geysers, clay and sand, mighty mountains and rolling land, the power of trains, of planes that soar. Science is this and so much more. So, into the earth and into the sky, we question the how, the where, when, and why. We wonder, we hunt, and explore the secrets of caves, the dark ocean floor, the oldest of rivers, the tombs of kings. What is science? So many things. Yes, guys, and remember.
So, science is so many things. It is what we know and what we learn about the world, about all kinds of things in the world, about the weather, about like they said, bees and flowers.
Like experiment?
That's part of it. So we learn things based, it's about the world, and it's
December
based on
Yeah.
facts.
Well,
It's facts that we learn through doing experiments and doing observations. And we are going to do both of those things tomorrow. We are going to do an experiment. We're going to do some observing. Should be very fun. So tomorrow, our science experiment has to do with candy canes. And we are going to start.
can we eat
No.
them?
They're for our experiment. Maybe we'll see. Maybe you can drink some sugarcane water, candy cane water, sugar water.
So that's
It would be kind of gross though. All right, here we go. I'm going to share my screen again.
Sugar water. Bleh.
Sugar water. It's not good for the teeth, let me tell you.
Can
All
you
right.
see what it is?
We are going to do a candy cane experiment tomorrow on Tuesday.
A candy cane? Okay. Me no can't wait. Me no can't wait. Me no can't wait
Oh.
from it.
Alejandro. So the
What?
first thing I want to talk about, or I want to inquire about, or
What?
ask you guys about, what do we know about candy canes? What do we know?
That it's from Christmas.
Yeah.
They're a holiday candy. Yeah. What else do we know?
All I can see is that it's a Zoom screen.
Oh no.
If you're typing on a dock or something, I can't see that.
I am typing on a dock. Hold on. Oh,
Did you not have that tab open? It looked like you had a tab next to the Zoom one.
It
Open.
is? Oh, hold on. It's open. Hold on. Can you see it?
No, we just still see the Zoom thing.
What if I do this? Oops, can you?
No, now we got the Zoom screen kind of cut in half.
It's trying to close.
It's trying.
It looks so weird.
It does look strange, doesn't it?
Well, I minimized it so you guys couldn't see it. Can you see my?
So stop your share and then reshare. Because sometimes it'll
There.
Yay!
Yay!
Successful.
Ooh.
All right.
I'm
What-
gonna do it tomorrow morning.
What do we know about candy canes? Alejandro says they're for Christmas. So they're a holiday candy. What else do we know about candy canes, my friends? Genesis, what do you know about candy canes?
Candy are sugar and sweet.
Sugar and sweet.
And they are hard to eat.
So you said they're hard to eat. So that means they're hard or they're soft?
Hard. They're not gummy.
They're not gummy.
Okay.
I like you clarifying that. Thank you. They are hard,
Job on.
not gummy. Let's see, who else is here? Brendan, what can you tell me about candy canes?
gotta unmute, Brendan.
Brendan, what can you tell me about candy canes? What do you know about candy canes? Candy canes are,
Candy.
they're what?
Christmas.
They're for Christmas. What else? Are they salty? Are they full?
Can I help a little bit?
Yes, please, Miss Beth.
I'm thinking, maybe we need to think of our senses.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so touch.
Mm-hmm.
Genesis said they're hard.
Yep.
And taste, she said they're sweet.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't think we can hear them.
No,
But what do we see and what do we smell about candy canes?
that's a good question. Well, my friends, let me.
Why?
I just happen to have one handy.
Oh,
Here's a candy cane, my friends. What does it look like?
ooh.
Holiday.
We mean two candy canes.
It looks like holiday, yes, but what colors?
Red and white.
Red and white. Okay, so I can write that.
Nifa, you ate half of the Doritos.
Oops. They, oh, come on, let me type, please. They are red and white. So that's something we can see.
Can you eat it?
Nope, not right now. Nope. Do you guys happen to know? Oh, are they straight? The one, look at Miss Rosetti's candy cane.
Mm-hmm.
It's not. It's like a
Ooh.
It's
It's
like a
White.
Did she say it's in a knot? I wonder what Genesis
It
just
looks
said.
like a hook.
Look, a hook.
Oh.
I like it.
Pirate.
Looks like a hook. Yes, it does.
Hey.
A pirate. Hook.
Sort of like a
A
pirate's hook.
pen?
Yeah. Do you guys happen to know what they smell like?
I don't know.
It smells like mint.
Like
Ooh.
mint.
There you go, Alejandro.
Well, I think it was like
Peppermint.
Like
Peppermint.
That's right.
Smells like peppermint. So, what about what happens when you some of you might know when you eat a candy cane or you suck on a candy cane or lick a candy cane, is it kind of sticky? Can it get sticky?
Sort of.
Sort of. Yeah. Sometimes
We're not dummy.
it can get sticky.
Eat the dog mix up and blank.
Hannah, we're talking about candy canes right now.
Does anyone have anything else they'd like to add about candy canes?
Yes, I have any ideas?
What are your ideas? Do you have any ideas, Alejandro?
Well,
So Miss
Well,
Rossetti is holding up a candy
you could
cane.
put it in a tree,
You can put it on a tree. Of course you can.
Or you can put on a
but don't
Christmas.
eat it.
Or you can eat it.
No, you cannot.
So it can be a decoration.
So
Ooh,
it could be a
nice.
decoration.
Tree.
It tickles.
Or it could be a decoration or a what? Or a treat.
Or a treat.
Or a treat. That is correct.
Candy canes come in all different sizes.
Keep
Ew.
celebrating. No,
And they don't just come in hook shapes. They come in all different shapes. They come in little round circles, or they come in sticks or hooks. I've even seen them in heart shapes.
Balloon.
I've also seen them in all different colors.
Yeah.
I've seen yellow candy canes, purple candy canes, green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
All right. So this is part of being a scientist, my friends. We are junior scientists going into this science project. So what we know about candy canes, we know that they're a holiday candy for the most part. They are sugary and they are sweet. They are hard. They are not gummy like gummy bears. They are hard.
Let's
The ones we're going to be working with are red and white. They look like a hook. They smell like peppermint. They can get sticky when they're wet. You can put it on a tree. It can be a decoration
you
for
gotta
a
eat it.
tree. They are all different sizes. Are we leaving anything out?
I think we need to put on there, we are not eating the candy canes.
That is a great
Because-
thing.
too hot, or because it's
They are for our observations.
it, because it's sticky and I'll hurt the teeth. Oh, I don't want to taste it. I
see
don't want to
somebody
stick
with
my
candy
teeth
cane in their mouth already.
because of the dentist.
Yeah, the dentist, yes. We need to not eat so much sugar. So we are not eating our candy canes in our science experiment. They are science and observations, like Miss Rossetti
Yes.
said, okay?
Yes,
Everyone
yes,
got it on the
yes.
same page?
And I always do not like.
Okay, so we're gonna move on because I think we know quite a bit about candy canes for the
Be-
most part. What do you think, guys? Yeah,
Sounds
Yeah,
good.
I hope you're not eating your candy canes.
I know, I noticed that. I'm kind of sad.
I would be really sad if you were eating your candy canes today and didn't have any for your experiment tomorrow.
That would bum me out. All right, since we are junior scientists, we need to question. Scientists always question. What are we trying to learn?
Trying to learn about candy canes.
So this science experiment we're going to do tomorrow on Tuesday. What we are trying to learn is what will happen if we put one candy cane in cold water and one candy cane in warm water. What do we think will happen? Alejandro, do you have any ideas?
Well, I think it'll change color. Or it gets
Okay.
ginormous. Or it gets itty bitty some.
So you think they will change color?
Okay. Me.
All right, I like it. What about you, Hannah? What do you think will happen if you put one candy cane in cold water and one in warm water? You have to unmute, my friend. Do you have any guesses?
They change color.
Okay, so Alejandro said that. Can you think of anything else that might happen? Hmm.
They're going to eat.
Do you think they'll explode like a volcano?
Yes.
You do? All right. Miss Beth, do you have anything to add here?
I wonder if they'll stay the same size.
Well,
I think we can type that in there.
under our question.
Uh-huh.
Sounds good.
Will they stay the same size? And we're wondering, will they stay the same size? Will they change color? These are things we're curious about. They're wondering.
Right, it should be a question. Okay.
Yeah, it could, or a sentence, or you're fine there. It's fine.
Okay. Okay. Miss Jennifer wonders, if the water will turn red.
Ooh.
That's what I wonder. Do you have any questions? What do you wonder, Miss Rossetti?
Well, I wonder the same things everybody else is wondering. Will it change colors? Will it stay the same size? Will the water turn red because the candy cane has got red on it? So I'm wondering if the red will come off and turn the water red. That might happen. I'm wondering how the water will taste
Ooh.
once
Oh,
candy cane in it, because water doesn't have a flavor. So will the water taste like peppermint when we put the candy cane in it?
that's
I wonder if the water will smell like peppermint.
oh.
Oh. I wonder. Yeah.
These are all great questions. Brendan, do you have any questions? What do you think? What do you think will happen, Brendan, if we put candy canes in cold water or warm water?
Cold water.
What about the cold water? What do you think will happen? I wonder if the candy cane will disappear in cold water. What do you think, Brendan? We have a lot of good questions, my friends.
I think, Miss Jennifer, I think maybe we should think about these questions tonight, and we'll put the video up on Seesaw so we can reflect on it. And then tomorrow, before we do our experiment, maybe we could make our hypothesis.
That sounds fabulous. Great idea. Okay.
You just saying.
I think